Namaskar. You're watching Rhythm News and I'm Suruchi Das. Educational institutions in our country are often revered as temples of learning, where all students and professors are treated equally. However, recent developments in schools and colleges have been far from ideal. A concerning case has emerged from Jamia Millia Islamia, a prominent university in Delhi, where a staff member from the Department of Natural Sciences has reported instances of caste-based harassment and pressure to convert to Islam. The victim, identified as Ram Nivas, who belongs to scheduled caste community, alleged that for the past 2 years, 3 professors at the university have been coercing him to convert to Islam. He claimed that whenever he approached Professor Nazim Hussain Al Jafri with his grievances, he was told to accept Islam and assured that doing so would solve all his problems and that he would receive support. Professor Al Jafri allegedly disparaged Hindu beliefs, calling them hypocritical. Ram Nivas, an assistant in the Faculty of Science, is the only person to have filed a first information report in this case. Following a court order, the FIR names Dr. Nazim Hussain Al Jafri, former registrar of the university, Professor Naseem Haider, the current acting registrar, and Professor Shahid Tasleem of Foreign Languages Department as the accused. The investigation has revealed that Ram Nivas is not the only victim. Several other staff members, including professors, employees, and former teachers, have reported similar coercion and threats to their career. The Hindi daily Dainik Bhaskar has obtained documents indicating that several professors and employees have been converted along with their families. These documents were shared on the condition that the identities of the informants remain confidential. According to the victims, everything seemed normal initially, but over time, the treatment towards Dalits worsened. They reported being subjected to caste-based slurs and were urged to adopt Islamic practices such as wearing a cap, performing namaz, and reciting the kalma. Furthermore, on April 29, 2023, the university advertised positions for the non-teaching department. Allegedly, in violation of the rules, none of these positions were reserved for SC/ST candidates. Information suggests that 3 accused have already pressured 6 individuals into converting. The police response to these allegations has been criticized for being lackluster. This raises the question: should such individuals be allowed to teach in institutions responsible for shaping the future of India? Is it acceptable for such practices to occur in places that are meant to uphold the values of equality and education?